Hello creating family, Alice here. What if I told you that you could earn $800 per week just by testing on your mobile device? It sounds too good to be true, right? But think about it, we are always on our phones, texting and chatting away. So why not do it and get paid? Today we are diving into an intriguing side hustle that will help you make money by doing what you are already doing, which is testing. I have researched this extensively and I've narrowed it down to 8 platforms that actually pay for sending text messages. And guess what? This works anywhere in the world. So let's get started.
Platform 1. Chat Recruit.
This one is a little bit unique. It allows you to earn through chatting, through testing, and it also allows you to earn through webcamming. That's if you are comfortable with it. Operators can earn $250 per message. So with just 8 messages per hour, you could be hitting $800 per week.
Platform 2. Chat Operator Jobs.
Chat operator jobs paid $0.20 per message and it is open to applicants worldwide. You need to pass a quick test before starting and payment are made through PayPal, bank transfer or checks.
Platform 3. Arise.
Arise connects freelancers to companies needing customer service and chat support. You can set your own schedule and earn between $10 to $20 per hour, translating to $800 per week.
Platform 4. Working Solution.
With Working Solution, you can take some various remote jobs, including chat support. They pay $0.20 to $0.30 per minute, which equals to $600 per week. That's if you are consistent. This is really a great option for steady earners. If you have watched this video to this extent, it means it's value for your time. Please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notifications to get notified each time I upload a beautiful content just like this. And don't forget to share.
Platform 5. Mod Squad.
Mod Squad hire remote chat operators to manage online communities, handles chat support, and create positive customer experience. They pay between $10 to $50 per hour, so you could make $400 to $800 per week depending on the hours you have to spare.
Platform 6. Testy Factory.
Here you can earn as chat operator by handling casual fantasy-based conversations. Here you don't need any experience and the payment average is around $300 per week. Yes, you heard me right. With potential to earn $800 if you take on higher paying companies. Here's what you need. You need to be fluent in English. You should have a PC, a laptop, a tablet, or a mobile device, and you should have an internet connection. Simple, right?
Platform 7. Test King.
These platforms hire chat operators to handle casual SMS conversations. They pay per message and professionalism is key. You can earn $10 to $14 per hour depending on the kind of messages you handle. With 40 hours work a week, that's about $418 per week. How cool is that?
Platform 8. Text 121.
You work as home-based chat operator managing text message conversations. They pay $0.07 per message, which add up to $418 per week for full-time work. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. Here you have it, guys, 8 legit platforms that you could make money from just by texting. Which one sounds like your next side hustle? Let me know down in the comments. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are yet not to subscribe. There are tons of people out there who are looking for side hustle. You sharing this video might just be you helping someone out there. Until next time, lucrating family, the next video that is showing up on your screen right now is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online the laziest way ever, in my opinion. Click on it and I will see you there.